everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am at Cavano's Perennials in Kingsville, Maryland, and I am having a mad about Mangave moment here in this greenhouse. Look at these amazing things. Okay, I've been growing them for a few years. I'm 1000% addicted to them. My goal is to collect one of everything, naturally, which of course becomes like 50 of everything. But I want to give you an up-close video to show you all the different varieties that I want you to keep your eyes peeled for at your local garden centers, because these are really the solution for hot, dry climates, but they're not as mean as agaves. They're technically an intergeneric hybrid, or maybe now an interspecific hybrid, because Manfreda got reclassified as agave. It's kind of dumb and tedious, but they were a game changer for the industry because you get all this color and texture and super low maintenance plants, reliably hardy in zone 8. I'm gonna try growing more outside on berms with really good drainage. I think with any succulent in the southeast, we have wet winters. Sometimes they kind of fade away because we're too wet, but I don't want you to ever be discouraged from giving these a try. They're also really beautiful houseplants in the winter season, so there's really no reason not to grow them. All right, let's dive in, because there's a lot of varieties here, way more than I've ever seen in one place. I do think these are worth investing in because they're easy to grow and they are so dynamic, and frankly, I think they're probably the coolest new plant to be introduced this century. So an amazing breeder, Hans Hansen out of Michigan, sort of is the brainchild behind this. And there's a whole thing, if you just Google Mad About Mangave, they're all over the world. And if your local garden center isn't carrying these yet, ask them to. And you can click on the link in the description to find a list of garden centers who are currently buying from Cavano's. And Mangave are a plant that I think everybody should definitely start indulging in. Well, I hope you're going to be intrigued to at least look up Mangaves. I 100% support a Mangave addiction of you needing to buy one of everything. You could treat them like an annual, you could treat them like a houseplant. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and as always, thanks for watching, everybody. I'm about to lose my mind picking out more Mangaves.